So hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Hasta Education. So in this video I am going to discuss about shell, subshell and orbitals. Okay, so let's get started. So in every atom there is a positively charged heavy nucleus at the center of that atom, and that nucleus is surrounded by different type of cells. Okay, so these are the cells. Okay, and these are their cell number, which is known as the principal quantum number. All right, so it is the n equals to 1, n equals to 2, it's the n equals to 3, n equals to 4. Okay, so these are basically the cells. Okay, this is the cell number 1, this is the cell number 2, this is the cell number 3, and this is the cell number 4. Okay, so these are basically the subcell. Okay, this is a subcell and this is a subcell. So cell number 3 contains 3 subcell. This is S subcell, P subcell and D subcell. Okay, similarly cell number 4 contains 4 subcell. Okay, these are S subcell, P subcell, D subcell and F subcell. Okay, again each subcell contains orbitals. Okay, so S subcell contains only one orbital, that is S orbital. Okay, here S orbital contains only one orbital, that is S orbital. Subcell contains 3 orbital. Okay, these are px orbital, py orbital and pz orbital. Okay, similarly D subcell contains 5 orbital. These are dxy orbital, dyz orbital, dzx orbital, dx square minus y square orbital and dz square orbital. Okay, so each cell contains some subcell and subcell contains orbital. Okay, so this is the order. Okay, first you have the cell. Okay, so cell is composed of subcell. Okay, and subcell are composed of orbital. Okay, and inside orbital electrons are present. Okay, so this is the structure of an atom. Okay, at the middle there is a positively charged heavy nucleus. Okay, which is surrounded by different type of cells. Each cell contains subcells and each subcell contains some of the orbitals, and inside orbitals electrons are present. Okay, so this is the cell number 1. Cell number 1 contains only one subcell, that is the S subcell, and S subcell contains only one orbital, that is S orbital. Okay, similarly cell number 2 contains two subcell, these are S subcell and P subcell. Okay, and this S subcell contains only one orbital, that is S orbital. P subcell contains 3 orbital, these are px orbital, py orbital and pz orbital. Okay, similarly cell number 3 contains 3 subcell, these are S subcell, P subcell and D subcell. Okay, S subcell contains only one orbital, that is S orbital, and P subcell contains 3 orbital, these are px, py and pz. Okay, similarly D subcell contains 5 orbital, dxy, dyz, dzx, dx square minus y square and dz square. Okay, this is in case of cell number 3, and cell number 4 contains 4 subcell. Okay, so here from this we can see that number of subcell equals to cell number. Okay, so cell number 4 contains 4 subcell S, P, D and F. Okay, and these are the orbitals. Okay, so we can fill electrons. Okay, since each orbital have a maximum 2 electrons, so we can fill electrons like this contains 2 electron, this contains 2 electron, this contains 2 and this also contains 2 electron. Similarly we can fill electrons in other orbitals. Okay, each orbital can have maximum 2 electron. Okay, all right. So these small circles, okay, each small circles are basically orbital, and each orbital contains maximum 2 electron, okay. So let's say we want to find out the total number of electron in cell number 2, okay. So cell number 2 is composed of two cell, two subcell, S subcell and P subcell, okay. S subcell has only one orbital, that is S orbital, which contains 2 electron. Similarly, P subcell has 3 orbital, Px, Py and Pz. Each can have maximum of 2 electrons. So total number of electrons will be 2, 2, 2, 6 plus these 2, okay. So total number of electrons will be 8 electrons, okay. So there are maximum 8 electrons in cell number 2, okay. So there is a rule, okay. Maximum number of electrons in a particular cell equal to maximum number of electron in a cell equals to 2n square, okay. It is the 2n square formula, where n is the cell number, okay. So let's say we want to find out the total number of maximum electron in cell number 3, okay. So here it contains 3 subcell S, P, D, and these are the orbitals, okay. So total number of electron is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, okay. 18, okay. So this can also be found by applying this formula. Since n equals to 3, so it will be n square, that will be 9. So 9 into 2, that will be 18, okay. So this is the formula to calculate the number of electron in a particular cell, okay. So cell is also known as orbit, or that is also known as energy level, okay. So inside cell, subcell or sub energy level are present, okay. So subcells are basically S, P, D, F, okay. And inside subcell, orbitals are present, okay, and each orbital contains a maximum 2 electrons, okay. Some of the examples of orbitals are S, Px, Py, Pz, okay. So these are the orbitals, okay. So number of subcell in a cell is given by the cell number of that particular cell. S subcell has only one orbital, that is S orbital. P subcell has 3 orbital, that is Px, Py, Pz, okay. And D subcell has 5 orbital, these are dxy, dyz, dzx, dx square minus y square and dz square orbitals, okay. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching this video.